Hello and welcome to the MStar training session on how to enter the last school details of an applicant. Before you can start this activity, please check that you have entered the applicant personal details. So let us see the steps now. Click on the button MStar and select Module Admission. The name of the module appears on the main screen, indicating that you are working now in the admission module. Click on the button Activities and select Applicant Last School Details screen. Once the screen opens, select the current academic year. Select session in which the applicant was registered. Click on the View button and the Admitted Students window open. It displays the list of all the applicants that have been registered in the selected session. Click on the name of the applicant, or you can search for the name of the applicant by entering the name in the student name box. Click on the name of the applicant. The details of the applicant appear on the main screen. In the section Last School Details, we will enter the details of the school of the applicant. Enter name of the school which was last attended by the applicant against the text school name. You can enter maximum 99 characters in this field, and both text and number can be entered. Data in this field has to be entered for saving the details in the screen. Select affiliation board of the school which was last attended by the applicant. This is an optional field and is not an essential requirement for saving the details in the screen. Select medium of education of the school which was last attended by the applicant. This is a mandatory field for saving the details on the screen. Select the class, that is the last class attended by the applicant in the last school. Data in this field has to be entered or selected for saving the details in the screen. Select an examination name which was last attended by the applicant. This is an optional field and is not essentially required for saving the applicant registration in the screen. If any value is not available in this list, the same can be defined by clicking on the New button and entering the name of the new exam. Click on the Save button to save the new exam details as entered. Data saving confirmation message is received, and click on the Close button to close the small window. Now select the exam as required. Select Schools Zone. This is an optional field and is not required for saving the details in the screen. Select Area of the school. Again, this is an optional field and is not required for saving the details in the screen. Enter address line 1 of the last school against the address 1. You can enter maximum 75 characters in this field, and both text and number can be entered. This is an optional field. Enter the address line 2 in the box address 2. Again, you can enter maximum 75 characters in this field. Both text and number can be entered. This is also an optional field. Enter marks secured in the last exam by the applicant against the text marks secured. You can enter maximum 3 characters in this field. You can only enter number in this field, and this is an optional field. Enter the total marks for the applicant against the marks secured. You can enter maximum 3 characters in this field, and only numbers can be entered. This is also an optional field. Enter reason of leaving the last school against the text reason for leaving. You can enter maximum of 100 characters in this field, and both text and number can be entered. This is also an optional field and not required for saving the details of the screen. The fields marked with asterisk sign or the star sign are mandatory. Click on the Save button to save the last school details of the applicant. The data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message. Click Clear button to clear the screen. Now it is important to see the details that has been entered by us. Select the academic year. Select session in which the applicant was registered. click on the View button and select the applicant name. The details as we have entered appear in the main screen. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen and repeat the steps to enter the last school details of other applicants. Now, let us see how to view and update the last school details as entered for a registered applicant. For this, click on the academic year, select session in which the applicant has been registered. Click on the View button and select the name of the applicant from the list. The details as entered for the last school displays on the main screen. Update the changes as required and click on button Save. The data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message and click Clear button to clear the screen. In order to check whether the update has been successfully saved, click on the academic year, select session in which the applicant was registered, click on the View button and select the name of the applicant. Check that the last update made has been successfully saved and click on the Clear button to clear the screen. Repeat these steps to update the last school details of other applicant. Please remember that once last school details has been entered for any applicant, it cannot be deleted, but you can always come and update the details. The details as saved in the screen becomes available in the screen Student Last School Details in the admission module. Thank you for watching this video.